Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign up on Among Us. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Okay, when you open up Among Us after updating in your mobile device or any device, go over to the button which says account. Press on it. It pulls up your information right here. You got your username, your height, your weight. Now you can also randomize your name. Now click sign in. It pulls up this. Do you want to create account? Click on yes. Now you have successfully created an account. It is literally simple as that. Now you have official Among Us account. In the future you can link your account on computer to your mobile device, if you play on a mobile device as well. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.